Hey guys, and welcome back to another Hardware Canucks review. Today we're checking out the keyboard from Azio, which holds specific purpose, and that is to improve your productivity. Now this is certainly a budget-friendly keyboard and will set you back just under $30. Now the name says it all. It's a large print, 3-color backlit keyboard which is supposed to reduce eye strain. Now this is by no means a gaming keyboard, simply because the keys are low profile and are non-mechanical. And this would be targeted mainly for desktop use and for those who prefer the larger font for a more comfortable experience. And to top it off, this is a plug and play device, so no need for drivers, it just works straight out of the box. And so starting off with the keys, what you see here are large print letters that are also bolded for a little bit of an enhancement. As you can see, the letters cover the entire keys, and it's actually a lot larger than your standard letters on a regular keyboard. Now this would definitely come in useful for those starting to learn to use a computer, but also for those with poor eyesight. Larger characters are a lot easier to see and is actually a pretty good alternative over getting keyboard stickers. Now this keyboard features backlight illumination, which is pretty decent. It's not exactly uniform and some keys are lit a lot better than others, but of course that does not disturb functionality. The one thing that really bothers me about this keyboard are the media keys at the top. They're quite dim and are very difficult to see from a normal viewing distance. We have large letter keys and absolutely tiny media controls. It just doesn't make sense. Now the media keys should be as large as the F keys below in order for Azio to promote this as a productivity keyboard. Now on a positive note, we do get a choice of 3 colors for our backlight: the blue, the red and the purple. You can also turn the illumination off, and so it's actually quite nice to see this integrated into such a budget keyboard. Now when it comes to construction, it is very light and it is very plastic, but it does provide a fairly comfortable typing experience with this integrated wrist support. It would be nice if it was rubberized, but of course we can't wish for everything at this price point. And you also do get occasional jams between some keys, but that is expected. Also, the keyboard is fairly quiet when typing, so that could be considered as a benefit. And coming to the bottom, we have standoffs that raise and angle the keyboard that actually slightly improves the visibility of the backlight. This, however, does make the keyboard prone to sliding due to a lack of rubber grommets on the standoffs. Now my overall experience with this keyboard has been satisfactory. For regular desktop use, this is a pretty nice keyboard. Of course, you're not expecting amazing build quality for something that is just under $30. The large lettering didn't have much of an effect on my productivity because I no longer look at the keys when I'm typing, but it sure does make the keys a lot easier to see. The 3-color backlight is very nice. The purple seemed the brightest, and just a word of caution, the backlight illumination stays on after powering off your system. Of course, you can simply use the LED key on the keyboard to turn it off completely. And lastly, the price is very attractive for people on a budget, and you get what you pay for. Now on the downside, the media controls are very small compared to the rest of the keys, and I had trouble recognizing what is what from the usual viewing distance. And I do feel this is a major drawback to this keyboard. If we have large and bolder keys throughout, why has it not been integrated for the media controls? Now of course, being picky, the backlight isn't uniform on all the keys and you do get occasional jams, but overall Azio has delivered a good budget keyboard that can find its purpose for many users. So thanks guys for watching, we'll see you in the next one.